Hello and welcome back to a brand new season of DVTV. I am this year's host, Ryan Stevens, coming at you from our unique home studio. Obviously, the circumstances this year are a little different with the COVID-19 pandemic going on, but that's okay, because our mission at DVTV is to bring you, the viewer, the best content possible. With that being said, let's take a look at the cast and crew for this year.
I'm Jack Carini.
I'm Madison Butts.
I'm Sammy Parlato.
I'm Bree Juliana. This is Sammy.
I'm Rebecca Sutton.
I'm Haley Krantz.
I'm Simon Kinderman.
I'm Emma Jackson.
What's up? I'm Corey Crater.
I'm Justin York.
I'm Brianna Blacken. And I'm Alexis Curtin.
I'm Jack Angeloni. I'm Dylan Phillips.
And I'm Ryan Stevens, and my hair's looking kind of long. Much better. Now, back to the most amazing host in the entire universe, Ryan Stevens. Take it away, Ryan. Wait a minute. I'm in the home studio. I don't need this mask. Oh, I can breathe now, thank God. Oh wait, are we rolling? Oh, okay, my bad. Thanks, Ryan. I like your cut, G. Except you're kind of missing the facial hair a little bit. Not gonna lie. All right, anyways. As you may know, some of our students have actually went remote this year, meaning they're not coming into the building. So we thought we'd see what they miss most about not coming to DelVal.
While being at home, the one thing that I do miss about being at DelVal is probably my privilege to drive to school and park. Ever since I was a freshman, that was the one thing that I was looking forward to doing.
Something I really miss about DelVal, although things are a bit different there, is just passing my friends in the hallway and just, waving and saying hello, even if they're not my friends, I just miss waving at people and saying hi.
One thing I miss most about DelVal is working with Pona and going to the athletic games.
While at home, what I miss most about DelVal is definitely seeing all my friends and teachers and hanging out with my friends at lunch and just having a good time in school.
Thanks, Bree. I'm missing all my bro tips too, playing the home game. That guy's thinking though, what if we brought DelVal home to our remote students? Let's take a look.
No! Stop! Did you not read the emails? Students park in the white spots. Staff go in the yellow. My bad. We've been over this. Come on. These kids, man, I don't understand. It's the juniors, probably. I don't get it. You're good. Better? I think that's good.
Hello. Hi. Can I get in the house? Well, we have to ask you a few questions. Let's take your temperature. Okay, fine.
Dylan, before you come in the house, stop where you are.
Okay.
I need to ask you a few questions.
All right.
Do you have any symptoms of COVID?
No.
Over the past 14 days, have you been exposed to anybody with COVID?
Not that I know of.
Do you even know anybody with COVID?
I don't think so.
Oh, good.
Ryan!
Oh my God, what does she want from me now? I was just in there. I don't get this woman. What do you want from me now, Mom?
There is a sink full of dishes and you have to do them.
Since when have I ever had to do the dishes before? You've never made me do them.
Well, it's your new MRT for the week.
Mom, you did not just call it an MRT.
Yes. Yes, I did. We noticed that DelVal was doing them, so we decided to implement it here.
That is so dumb. There is no way I'm doing that.
Oh, you do not want to test me?
Oh yeah? What you gonna do if I don't? I can't believe she actually kicked me out of the house. Should've just done my MRT. Should've just done my MRT.
Hot lunch, please. This isn't even hot lunch.
I forgot my mask. Mom?
What? All right, back up and hand sanitizer. What's the matter?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Can you go to the bathroom? Do you have a pen? You have to write a pass.
Yes, I have a pen.
All right, write a pass. All right, take the top copy and leave the yellow. Okay, and hand sanitizer.
Thank you.
All right, look, be quick. I'm working on my modules here.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm walking.
Do you see the line?
Oh, I'm sorry. All right.
Mom put this down here a month ago. The line's been here.
Fine.
And look,
I'm sorry.
sanitize yourself.
Mom just gave me some.
Sanitize
I don't
yourself.
need
Use it.
Fine.
God, COVID's everywhere. What are you doing? Honest to God, the line is there for a reason.
Thanks, Jack. Make sure you're staying to the right side of the hallway, though, or the Korea family's gonna get pretty upset. Well, everyone, that's a wrap for our first show of the year here at DVTV. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, though, and to smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. We also have an Instagram page, so make sure to give us a follow on there. From everyone here at DVTV, I'm your host, Ryan Stevens, and that's a wrap. Be safe and be well. Are we good? We good? All right. Sick. Oh.